What's up XRP holders, guys? This is a very important video for everyone that is right now at this moment invested in XRP or in crypto in general, because in this video, guys, I want to share something that is actually super important. This might be even the most important video I've actually ever made. What I'm about to share with you here might shock you. It's maybe not something you want to hear. It's not a popular opinion to have. It's not a popular topic to discuss. But I feel like as a content creator, it is basically my job, my duty to be real with you guys at all times. And if you have been watching my channel for a while, then you know that the majority of the time I'm extremely bullish. I'm always talking about XRP. I'm talking about other coins. Over on X, I'm saying that I expect huge breakouts to happen. I expect high price targets. And guys, I'm still bullish. I still think that the next couple of weeks or so could make you life-changing gains. However, I want to show you a few things here in this video that are currently pointing to the probability of this cycle being over, let's say within 2 or 3 months from now, from the point of recording. So let's get into it. And by the way, if you disagree with me during this video, feel free to let me know down below in the comments. I go through the comment section. I try to reply to you guys as well. And I'm happy to hear your opinion, of course. So first off, guys, if we go back in time, then we know that in 2012, we had the Bitcoin halving. And in 2013, which was a post-halving year, Bitcoin peaked. Fast forward to 2016, we had a Bitcoin halving year. 2017, the crypto market peaked. 2020, we had a Bitcoin halving year. 2021, crypto peaked. And always, the crypto market always peaked around November, December timeframe. You can go back in history and you can look it up yourself. Right now, guys, 2025, once again, we're in a post-halving year, 2025. So if we go with history, there's a pretty decent chance that we could peak here in 2025 around the November, December timeframe. Now, I can't predict the future. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't have a crystal ball. I hope that this cycle is going to extend far into 2026 so we can make a lot more gains altogether here on the channel. However, if we go with the probabilities, we need to take this metric into consideration. Otherwise, guys, we're just gamblers over here, fools, and I want you guys to be successful. I want you all to be profitable. So I feel like it is my job to share this data, this information with you. And if I'm wrong, it's not about being right or wrong here, but if I'm wrong here, if the cycle is going to extend, if it's going to be different this time around, then fine. I'm happy with that as well. I'm not saying that I'm going to sell all my crypto. I'm just saying that in the next couple of weeks, next couple of months here of 2025, I'm going to secure my profits on the way up. So if we see a significant pump for XRP or other coins, I'm holding other coins as well. Follow me over on Instagram, in my Telegram, links down below if you want to know other things that I'm holding as well. I'm not just talking about XRP over there. But if these coins are going to pump significantly, for example, I hold Wormhole, Arbitrum, ICP, a few others. If they pump significantly, I'm going to gradually lock in my profits on the way up. I'm going to secure these profits, because the hardest thing to do here for most people, I would say for 99% of market participants, is to secure the profits. You never go broke by taking profits. You heard the saying, and this is true, guys. You need to have an exit strategy. You need to have a take profit plan. I'm not telling you to sell everything in the next couple of months, but I'm definitely going to take my profits, and I will of course always hold a certain amount of crypto which I will not sell, just in case we're all wrong, just in case this cycle is going to extend far into 2026. A lot of you guys are saying things like it's going to be different this time. We have ETFs are coming for XRP. There's already a Bitcoin Ethereum ETF, but ETFs are coming for XRP, for crypto. We have a pro-crypto administration. Banks are involved, institutional adoption, a lot more utility this time around. Guys, all of these things are true. I hear you. But once again, if we go with the probabilities, if we go with what happened in history, we should be prepared for the worst case scenario. And that is that the cycle could literally end in 1, 2, 3 months from this point. And I want to make you aware of this. even though it's not a popular opinion. And that's why I'm saying, feel free to let me know in the comments if you disagree with me for whatever reason. And also guys, I hope that I'm wrong, because I want this cycle to extend for much longer as well, just like you. But I'm also realistic. And one of the main reasons why 99% of market participants aren't profitable in the long run is because of greed, is because people have unrealistic expectations. It's because people are failing to take profits, and securing the profits is actually the hardest thing to do in crypto. The last thing you want is that you forgot to take profits and that you end up holding your back into the bear market. I mean, that is not something you want. I don't wish that upon anyone. So please guys, be wise about it. You can ignore this message if you totally disagree with me. That's all fine to me, but I'm personally going to do this, and I feel like I need to make my subscribers or my audience aware of this. Yes, I'm a content creator. I post crypto content over here on YouTube, on X, and on Instagram. But I feel like it's my job to be very realistic with you guys. Most of the times I'm bullish, but at some point I'm going to flip more bearish, and I'm still bullish right now. I still think we're going to see a very nice Q4 of 2025. I think we're going to see a lot of upside there for the majority of the altcoins. In terms of the targets, I don't know whether XRP is going to go to $4, $5, $10. Maybe we're going to spike even higher. But make sure to secure these profits on the way up. Not financial advice, of course. And yes, I spoke about much higher price targets a few months ago on X and on YouTube. I spoke about $20 per XRP, $15, $30. And all of these targets are actually still valid on high time frames. If you go to the monthly time frame for XRP, these targets are still in play. But it might take a little bit longer for XRP to reach these targets. And once again, guys, I don't know whether the cycle is going to end in November or it's going to extend into 2026. That, of course, remains to be seen. But all I'm saying is that we should be prepared either way, for the worst case scenario and for the best case scenario, of course. And there are also other things besides the Bitcoin halving indicator that are currently flashing that we could be in that end stage of the cycle. And that is also, for example, retail interest. If you go to the Google Trends indicator, if you type in search term XRP, crypto or Bitcoin, the Google Trends indicator is forming lower highs. So that means that retail interest is actually decreasing while the price action is increasing. For example, in December last year, Bitcoin went to above 100K for the first time. And right now, Bitcoin is at 115K or so from the point of recording. And a few weeks ago, it was at 124K. So Bitcoin is clearly making higher highs, but the retail interest is much lower right now for Bitcoin compared to the peak from 2024. So just be aware of that. Retail interest is decreasing while the prices are increasing. This is a bearish divergence. Eventually, this could lead to a bigger correction in the crypto market, maybe a multi-month correction or so, or maybe a year or so. Eventually, I do believe crypto will go much higher in the next couple of years, but we could see a bear market along the way up. So just be aware of that. And also, for example, if we look at the relative strength index, the RSI indicator, which measures the momentum, the strength of the sellers and the buyers, we're clearly seeing on the monthly, on the weekly time frame, higher highs in the price action of XRP, of Bitcoin, but we're seeing lower highs on the relative strength index, which is showing to us that the move that we're seeing right now, while the prices are going higher, the momentum, we're losing momentum. Buyers are getting exhausted, sellers are increasing a little bit in strength, and over time, maybe not tomorrow, but in a while from now, we could see a bigger correction due to that fact. So do whatever you want with this information, of course. I feel like it is my job to share this with you. If you like these different videos from time to time where I give you my view, my overview on the market, then of course, let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me over on Instagram because I'm posting additional crypto XRP content over there, official link down below. And lastly, guys, just be aware there are a lot of scammers, impersonators active here on YouTube. In the comment section, it is not me. Please report all of these people. They are just impersonating me. They're asking you for money or to sign up to things, and YouTube isn't doing anything about it. So please, guys, report these people and make sure not to interact with them. I want to thank you all for watching, for the amazing support, and I'll see you very soon in another XRP update. Bye bye.